Hello and welcome, and wow! Lurella sent us a bonanza of a box for our monthly subscription for February. Check this out! They start us out with a red eyeliner. Wouldn't be my choice even if I was an eyeliner person, but still, they're in the February mood. Yes, they are. Then there is a 50 milliliter false eyelash cleanser. We don't use false eyelashes over here. No, you certainly don't need false eyelashes. So we're going to save this one and the eyeliner to pass along. Yet I thought that was neat. I didn't realize false eyelashes could be reused. I thought it was a one and done situation. Next we have two facial sheet masks. One is in honey, one is in avocado. The avocado is for hydrating, and I believe the honey is for, I think it's moisturizing. Yes, you are correct. Next is an interesting little gadget. It's flexible plastic. It is a beauty sponge protector. Has vent holes at the top, and it does come apart, so it would hold, this is the bottom half, so you can see it's almost 4 fingers tall, would easily hold 1 or 2 depending upon their size, and then the top part has holes for ventilation and slips back in or slips back on to a certain extent. So really you could probably get 3 in here, I guess. This is something I won't use on a daily basis, but I'm gonna stick it in my travel bag because could come in handy there. Yes, it could. Next up, we get 3 little beauty sponges and the soap with which to clean them. And this is a sturdy enough container that you could probably keep the soap in the bottom and rub your brushes around in this container, or use it in that other container that we just showed you that I'm reaching for over here and trying to find without looking and not doing a very good job. Oh well, you win some, you lose some. Here it is. I imagine you could probably get this little soap, it's wrapped up nicely, this little soap in the bottom of this if you wanted to use this as your cleaning method. That's an option. That's an option. What would you do? Let us know. In this half of the box, I am most excited for the 2 facial sheet masks and the little beauty sponges with their own cleaner. How about you? What did you see that you liked? Let me know down below, because I'm a nosy camel. I want to know all the details. Spill the tea. Let us have it. And now moving right along with this video, because this box is definitely a bonanza of a box. We are sitting in the dark because we have a light to show you, and it's a bright one, so be prepared. This is a little mini glow clip-on for selfie ring light, and thought I could get it to work. There's one level, and then if you keep clicking it, I think the levels increase. There we go. Cute little gadget. I've seen these floating around. I've not had the opportunity Yes, that lights up the camel quite nicely. Oh yes, I like that little light. Yeah. A cute little gadget. Would I want to see this cute little gadget in every box? No, but now I have one. Hey, cute little gadget. We did just notice there does not appear to be a way to recharge this. Yeah, so something tells me this is going to be an item that's kind of like a one and done. Again, I wouldn't want it all the time, but hey, cute little gadget. And as we were putting it back in the box, we noticed that it does come with a USB charging cable. I didn't think there was a way to recharge that thing. I'm going to have to look into it more closely or look it up on their website for some directions. I thought it was just a nifty gadget, kind of a one and done use thing, but huh? Does anyone else out there know how to charge this thing? Very interesting. Ah, we've answered our own question. Apparently, if you push the clip part all the way open, then there's the spot to stick in the charger. Hey, this little nifty gadget is turning out to be niftier than I thought. We like small blingy things. What can I say? Next up is a brush set. A 12-piece brush set. Oh, wow. We hit the jackpot. This is definitely a bonanza of a box. I'm impressed. Now, granted, when this arrived about 3 days ago, I had to open it up, unwrap it, and just let it sit because the brushes reeked of plastic. They smell great now, and I'm sure with a wash, they will smell even better. And I'm trying to get one up here. We've got one that kind of got a little bit bent, but again, I think with a proper washing, that will help the situation. This is one of the brushes. Here it is. Nice and floppy. I think this must be some type of a blending brush. It's pretty much passing the bristle test. I think we might have a few stray hairs. Then again, this has not yet been washed. That can make a difference. I'm liking the weight of it. It's a little on the light side, but not so light that I feel like I'm playing with a toy. A full set of 12. Wow! Thanks, Lurella. Fatima, what are you doing? I'm showing off the next item. Next up is a headband, and Fatima has decided to model it for us. Soft and squishy on the top. It has sort of a terry cloth feeling to it. There's definitely no padding on the part that goes around your head. Then again, this is for makeup application or while wearing a sheet mask, so it's not like you're having to wear it all day, although I guess you could. I would. And it's in a cute color. A springtime color. Is it a February Valentine's color? No, but hey, this is an awesome box that they have sent to us, so I really cannot complain. Next up is a palette called Bad Romance. What a name for Valentine's Day. That's what she looks like. There is no mirror in there. That's perfectly fine. Not every palette has to come with a mirror. Those are some interesting colors. A little different on some of them than our usual repertoire, yet There's some blingy things in there that are attracting my attention. We have one more item to show you, and then I will do swatches. We are back in the dark because we have something bright and blingy to show you. So if bright lights bother you, here it comes. Oh, I can see myself and I really like it. This is a mirror and it does come with its own USB charging cable. And it's designed to go in your car to hook onto your visor. It has straps in the back. I am finding that I probably would not use it there, but I can get my hand under those straps and use it for makeup application. Oh yes, I do like this mirror. Yep, I know you do because you were playing around with it. Well, yeah. She thinks I won't play with a mirror. Huh. Let's show them what you were doing. Okay. I was definitely impressed with that mirror. It's gonna be fun. Yeah, and like I said, I can hold it up and use it for general makeup application. I would not use it in the car. If I'm gonna put on lipstick in the car, I'm gonna take my chances without a mirror or use the mirror that came on the visor built into my car. Granted, it's not light up, but I don't need that for lipstick. But I think it's a neat idea. Thank you, Lurella. I want to do swatches now. I need my brush. The camel will now do some swatches of the Lurella Bad Romance palette. Nice job in the swatching department, Miss Fatima the Camel. Thank you. I like swatching almost as much as I like mirrors, especially that light up one. That's a definite winner. To be exact, in the second half of the box, I think my two favorites are both the big and the small light up items, the mirror and the little selfie ring light thing. Yeah, those sound like good ones. What did you see that you liked? Do you have any of these? Let us know down below. So taking a quick look at the nitty gritty, Lurella is $30 a month. Shipping is free. We have to pay tax, so that gives us a total of around, I think, $33. I think that sounds about right. It always has a new palette. It's supposed to have 5 to 7 items. We hit the Bonanza this time. We got 11. I was definitely impressed and surprised. Thank you, Lurella, for making our Valentine's Day. Yes, this is a good one. And I didn't want to look up the prices of all the items. I was curious on a couple things. The brush set they have for $20 and the visor mirror they have for about $20. I couldn't find it exactly, but it was a good one. Yes. Thanks for watching today. We appreciate it. Check out one of our other videos and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. for this video, hit that notification bell. We have videos popping up about 3 times a week. Videos 3 times a week, shorts twice a week. On the weekends are the shorts. Have you checked out that playlist? Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you again soon.